Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video guys, what we will do is we will see how you can check the error you exceed your current quota while using the chatgpt API. So here you can see that I am using a .NET project and I am trying to use the OpenAI package and then trying to make the call to the chatgpt turbo version. So whenever I'm trying, I am getting the same error that you exceeded your current quota, and I am not able to know like what is the reason. So many people are facing this error while using the ChatGPT API. So we will first have a look at the account that we created. Okay, so this is the account that we have, and from this UI profile section, I was able to generate the user API key. So when I tried this API key in the project, still I was not able to make the API call. Now if you notice, so basically by default we should be on the free tier plan, so we should be able to access the API without recharging the amount also, like here it says free trial. But that's not the case with ChatGPT, because even if it shows the free trial, it will not let us use any kind of API without recharging it first. Okay, so what happens guys is, for using the API, even for testing, you have to do the add payment details here and then click on individual or company, or you can add your card details here, and then it will ask you to add the amount that you want to add in your credit balance. So you can choose $10 because the one that I tried and worked was $10. So you can add $10 here, and then after that you will be able to use the API key without any error. So if you need more details about this, then you can have a look at this article, not this one. Okay, so we have this article which explains how to generate the API key, and here it will show you the steps that you need. So like after setting up the clicking on the billing section, you have to click on the add payment details, and then you have to do the payment details, and then you can add any amount between $5 and $100, and then these screens will appear which is showed in the video article, and then you will be able to use the API key. Okay, so this will help you to solve the issue, and if you still face the issue after that, then let us know in the comments. So thank you guys.